So this is the ranunculus bed, and they're now in kind of full flow, but they will go over really quickly because it's just so hot. And as soon as the weather warms up, ranunculus shut down. But you know, I've got a few coming. I'll probably pick a lot of these and they'll open up in the vase. But what I've done to save space, because I just can't bear to cut the ranunculus down right now while they're still going, is I've interplanted, as you can see, with courgette and squash. So I've got various varieties. I've got Defender, which is that one, which is amazing, just lovely green, dark green courgette. And then I've got things, one called Custard White. What's this one called? Yeah, that's Custard White. They all look the same, really. I've got one called Tromboncino, which is that one, which is a big sort of snake-like, weird, very slightly odd-shaped courgette. Well, squash, summer squash, really. This is called Tondo Chiaro di something, di Mondo or something. And yes, it's just a good use of filling, a good way to fill up the space before something's just about to go over, but you can't quite, you know, bear to pick it up and to pull it up just yet. And so when these are over, the ranunculus are over in about a week, I'll just pull them up and the courgettes can continue. I've also got larkspur there, which will stay for a bit longer, and they're just about to flower actually. Well, in the next week they should be flowering, and these cornflowers are on their way now. I love that colour. As you can probably tell, I'm a bit of a fan of this sort of winey colour. But look at all the buds on that. These are just incredible height. There must be about a metre high. Anyway, just a bit of a tip for using up some space whilst other things are kind of nearly on the way out.